Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And today in this video, we are going to unbox this Firebolt Brillia smartwatch. Actually, this watch will support a Bluetooth calling, and this display is a AMOLED display of this watch. Here you can see they are mentioned 2.02 inch touchscreen. Yeah, it's bigger. It's really a bigger touchscreen actually. 2.02 inch means for watch it's somewhat bigger only. Yeah, I purchased this watch at around the cost of 1999 rupees. And it has a IP67 water resistance too. It's a good thing. Yeah, okay guys, let's come on. Just I'm going to unbox it now. Let's come on. We can unbox it. Just I'm going to remove. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, tape is removed. Just I'm going to open it up. Ta, ta, ta. Yeah, here you can see. Here's the watch, guys. Watch color is somewhat dark blue. Here's the watch. You can see there's the sensors were there, and you can see you need to note this thing. AMOLED display. That's good. Just keep this watch aside. Before that, we can see what they're given. Yeah, it's not coming. Somewhat bit stuck. Yeah, it's came now. Okay, they are given a charging cable. You can see here's the charging cable. It's a magnet type based, and another side is a USB port. Okay, let's keep this watch aside. Okay, I'm going to remove this screen sticker. Let's remove this. Yeah, it's came. Here you can see, guys, the watch is very slim. Actually, the watch is very slim, and they are given the roller, and I think it's a button. It's just like a power button. Streams. Okay, we can turn on this smartwatch. Let's go on. Just I'm going to be pressing a long press. Yeah, it's turning on. Yeah, it's turned on. Seems. Here you can see activity, sleep, PMP, all the basic things were there. You can see calling, message, text. Okay, it's good. You need to connect to Bluetooth. If you need to connect to Bluetooth for calling actually. And guys, but clarity is very superb, guys. You can see because it's an AMOLED display, so only this roller is not working. Yeah, if you click this means it's just coming back to the main screen. You can change the watch face too. You can see you can select any watch face, and selecting this like this you can select any watch face, guys. But actually it's very smooth, guys. It's very smooth. The screen is very smooth actually. You can see the sensor is also, it's working very fine, guys. Just I'm shaking normally very light, but it's working. You can see it's turning on. It's good. There's a touch light. Okay, brightness. Okay, in remote settings they are providing in display brightness, watch face. Okay, so nothing. Phones screen lock is also there in this. Battery serve button is also there. Low power mode systems. Okay, only switch off, turn on, the options were there in this systems. Here you can see how fast it is. If just I'm shaking very light only, but direction is very superb, guys. I can see screen is turning on automatically. It's good. Version. Okay, at this price range it's good, guys. It's good. Here you can see the response is very good and fine, guys. Actually, yeah. Okay, guys, regarding this video, that's all. It's just a small video regarding the why I'm taking means because this basic watch is very useful for people's especially for fitness who are doing. If you need a budget watch means you can consider this watch too. because all the fitness options are there. What means like 120 plus sport modes were there, and SpO2 monitoring is there, heart rate tracking is also there. So it's good. It will support the AI voice assistants also. Actually, here itself they are mentioning, you can see there's a different sports modes are there. Yeah, it's good for that. And okay, and guys, another thing I forgot to tell, what means they are given a documents. Can see, I just forgot to tell this. Here is the smartwatch user manual. This you can read. Okay, don't use a fast charger to charge your watch. It's better to use a 3.7 volt to 5 volt adapter. Just note this thing, guys. Okay, and you need to download this DoFit app if you need to control your watch means. The user manual is very superb, guys. It's very helpful for that. Just you can read whatever things you need means. Making a phone call using a Bluetooth. There, okay. Some cards were there. We can see. There's a, you can use this user manual, guys. If you're having any doubts or any queries means regarding about this using the watch means, you can read this user manual booklet. And here you can see they're mentioning charge the watch for 60 minutes before the use. Yeah, you need to note this too. Okay, congratulations, they're offering some exciting rewards from Firebolt side. Okay, it's good, guys. You can see they're offering some movie tickets, book my shows, it seems, from Firebolt side. Okay, and guys, just don't forget this, they're mentioning charge the watch for 60 minutes before the use. Just I need to charge this, still I have not yet charged. And if you have any doubts about this using this watch, you can read this book. And you need to use a normal adapter only. You should not use a fast charger, guys. Just note that too. And okay, guys, regarding this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have any queries or doubts, just ask in the comment section. Definitely I will reply, guys. And okay, do like us and subscribe our channel. We'll see you in next video, guys. Bye. See you in next video.